How to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you exactly how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. Open the PrizePicks app or website and locate the menu in the top left corner or top right corner for browsers. From the menu, choose Request Withdrawal. Upon requesting withdrawal, you will receive a one-time password OTP code via email. No further action is needed from your end. PrizePicks will email you to confirm the success or failure of your withdrawal request. Before withdrawing funds, ensure that you have met the one-time playthrough requirement by playing through all deposited funds once. Remember to use credit funds, not promo funds, for these entries. In the case of inaccurate bank account information, the funds will be returned to your credit funds balance for a new withdrawal request. Some methods, such as Apple Pay and credit cards, may only be used for deposits and not withdrawals. Keep in mind that only one withdrawal request is permitted within a 24-hour time frame. If your net winnings exceed $600 for the calendar year, you will be required to complete tax paperwork filing. You can also check out the link given in the description for some extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.